Uy, sorry na. Tumpo ka naman eh. Nag-smile na yan. You can't resist my charms. No, sige na, ako na yung OA. Ako na yung OA. Don't be mad. Please. Huwag ka na mamad sa akin. I'm doing my baby voice already. I'm at my lowest right now. And you need to forgive me because I did the baby voice. I swear to God, it is so cringy, pero pag nagtampo ka, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. Yung baby voice, pero hindi ka na magtampo. I'm sorry na nga. I promise I will spend more time with you, and I promise that you are the only person that I love and I'll cherish forever in my whole entire life. Okay, overreacting. Sige, ako na yung OA. Ako naman talaga eh. Huwag ka na tampo, please. Please, baby. Huwag ka na tampo. Nandito naman ako ah. I am not going anywhere. I'm all yours, okay? So don't tampo on me na. Kiss mo ako. Sige na, kiss mo ako. Please. I am very clingy right now because I miss you. Because when you came home from work, hindi ka na nag-uusap sa akin. Bakit ba? Tampo na tampo ka talaga sa akin? I'm sorry na. Okay? I'm sorry na, baby. Please, forgive mo ako. Because I love you so much. Sorry na nga. I said to you sorry for 1,000 times already. I'm sorry. I'm sorry po. Eh, ba't ka ba nagsaselos, ha? I'm yours, and I will forever be yours. So, wag ka na maselos kasi ninanggid mo na ako. Please, don't be mad anymore. Please. I am begging you. Uy, once na blue mo lang ako nagbibeg. Sige, better forgive me right now. Because pag natampo ako, tas nagtatampo ka, sino magsuyo sa atin dalawa? Ha? I love you, baby. I love you so much. I love you. Please don't be mad anymore. Mag-smile na yan. Mag-smile na yan eh. Ang inang yan. Parang nakausap yung bata eh. Mga baby. Alam mo, pag nag-uusap sa baby, parang nag-high pitch ng boses. I love you. Hindi ka naman talaga bata. Pero you're my baby. Oh my God. Ang galing ko talaga. What the fuck? I love you. I love you so much. Okay? Don't tampo on me na. Don't overthink because I'm always here for you. And I will never love anybody more than I love you. You make me feel some type of way that I will never find in a different person because you're my person. You complete me in every single way. So, halata naman siguro ng words of affirmation yung love language ko, diba? I love you, baby. I love you so much. Okay, don't tampo on me na. And don't overthink because I'm yours. And sana you're mine din. I love you. Nagsismile na siya, guys. Wala na, hilig na siya. Wala na. Angas ko talaga. I love you, baby.